what makes us keep forging ahead and advance forward bravely, regardless of challenges and doubts. The way lies rather than underfoot, but in heart. Our eyes shine with dazzling light of dream, guiding us through darkness. Creation means infinite possibilities under my definition. With wisdom and faith, our creation is beyond your imagination. EASTERN CNC is a collection of energy of wisdom, innovation, loving concern, and harmony. After over 10 years of persistent pursuit and revolutionary development, it vigorously blends into the global ecological industry, sets up 5 business departments, develops into an intelligent enterprise group, integrated with lathe system R&D, lathe equipment, automatic equipment, and other industrial plates, and committed to providing global users with green and energy-saving technological products and bringing the joy of man-machine harmony to numerous customers. Complex scientific technology cultivates simple utilization and progressively influences our working methods based on the rich all-directional designing and manufacturing experiences in integral mechanism, electrical control system, safety and reliability, and other aspects. As the state-level high-tech enterprise, EASTERN CNC will merge innovation into every gene and unremittingly attain product essence of higher standards. Our main functional parts, screw levers and linear guides, use Taiwan PMI products. Besides, the CNC operating system, co-developed by Japan FANUC and GSK, contributes to greater stability and higher efficiency in lathe utilization. Here, we measure progress with energy efficiency and interpret success with productivity. The industrial automation information builds up the intelligent, efficient, and safe sustainable solutions. We seek greater perfection in production process with craftsman spirit and take pride in our international supporting facilities. Within a short period, we can design, produce, and install personalized special equipment for customers, which is rather than a myth in industry, but a reality. As our complete and timely service expands constantly, EASTERN CNC is endeavoring to help partners of full value chain create more values. Make industry production like a duck to water and make possible high precision, high complexity, high consistency, high productivity, and low consumption. We aspire to seek more accurate and premium solutions to lathe equipment. Nowadays, when mind-blowing innovation is demanded, based on our top products and services, we build up the EASTERN CNC brand spirit, share the up-to-date green manufacturing, and join hands with you to create a brilliant future. We are striving to become the quality model of high-precision CNC lathes.